A chisel continuously cuts the distinct layers of paint along Yunshan wood, and the surface is instantly raised to this. This is the guitar and violin. Piano is known as the three famous musical instruments in the world. Today we will learn about the whole process of guitar manufacturing in detail. In the picture, the main raw materials of guitar are usually naturally dried for at least 2 years in order to achieve the best use effect, and even for 10 years, so the price of a customized guitar is even higher than that of an ordinary car. Let's start cutting the soundboard. Our factory mainly uses Yunshan wood as the main material. Yunshan is a light but very hard wood, and the overall color is milky white and dense texture. Here I will give you some popular science. In addition, there are 7 acts of centum acacia wood, Corina, Fengmu flame, maple, continuous maple wood, ZZ maple wood, mahogany wood, and so on. Both can be used as the main dosage. Although military wood, the sound produced by wood will be obviously different. Let's start making the keel and shade, which is the guitar. The wooden strips in the panel that can change the timbre and sound. The 2 crossed wooden strips in the picture are the keel and keel, which play a supporting role. Workers need to evenly apply glue to the shade and keel and stick them together on the panel. It is not enough to simply press them with both hands, so use a careful press to squeeze and fix the hole. At this time, the 2 have been bonded together and can be easily removed from the die distance. Next, start to process the sound pool. This process mainly uses a chisel to cut the edges of the wooden strips, although these shady placements look random. The mystery inside is significant. The wooden strips' position and size impact the panel's vibration, affecting whether the sound is rich or crisp. Let's start another part of the strips. The guitar has 2 panels. To maintain revelation, a supporting keel will be added to each panel. When preparing to apply adhesive glue to the other side of the wood strip, you should also choose special glue for woodworking, which can mainly improve the performance of the wood and avoid the damage of the glue to the wood. The pressing process will last for about a few minutes, and it can only be removed here after it is completely fitted and fixed. Another layer of panel has also been made. Let's come to the production of deep love, which is the wood between the 2 panels on the side of the guitar. Because the wood needs to be extruded to change its shape, it will be soaked in hot water to soften the whole body. The 2 long wooden strips are used to fix the piano body, and they also play a supporting role to prevent cracking. The production process of the piano body can be clearly discovered through the picture. When the machine squeezes the 2 sides, the wood will also bend accordingly. This link. It also takes time to fix, and the sporadic water vapor is continuously evaporated with heating. When the internal water is completely evaporated, the bird's body shape will be clear. Being extruded means there's no worry about the wood returning to the table. Next, let's move to the next process, where the piano body will be assembled. Since it is composed of 2 parts, the wood needs to be heated, applied with adhesive and fixed. Of course, it is still necessary to use furniture and squeeze the 2 parts. It can better make the wood and wood fit in all directions. To ensure structural stability, this process lasts several minutes, placed in a dry environment to shape and fix quickly. Let's start processing the piano depth and panel, and the keel part needs to be cut off with a saw, which seems a bit laborious. Why not design the appropriate size at the beginning? Dealing with the keel is a slow process. If you accidentally run out of your efforts and start cutting the deep wooden strips of the piano, at this time, you need to cut a groove in the position of the bracket. The design of each position is so clever that the groove can easily put the panel down without causing blockage or excessive gaps. The other layer of the panel was then put in, and after a long time of extrusion, it was molded. Next, polishing the edges is mainly to remove possible uneven layers, and now it looks more beautiful. The next process adds decorative effect to the edge, mainly to enhance the aesthetic feeling. You also need to be careful when installing this configuration. The wires need to be consistent with each other, and there should be no bumps of different heights. Compared with the previous steps, this link is a test of patience. At the beginning of the production scene, the wood with strings on the guitar list is cut, and the assembly test begins after the extra position is cut. The hammer beats continuously in order to fit the 2 together. Obviously, it is impossible to install them so smoothly, and a layer of excess wood has to be cut off. Let's try to install them directly in place. Obviously, the master's smile appeared on his face again after successful installation. Let's start making scene decoration. There is no uniform standard, and the process of each manufacturer is different. Adhesive can firmly fix the decorative strips, and the cylindrical metal in the picture is placed in the center of the scene. This is done to enhance the intensity of the scene. Otherwise, the pure wood material may break. Wooden strips need to be added to the surface, and the inner groove needs to be completely covered. Then, glue should be applied to the surface of the scene. In order to achieve the best service life, the glue in each position is different. Still the same? You need to use furniture to tighten both ends. Otherwise, you can't guarantee whether there is a gap between the wood and put it in the shelf for more than 10 minutes. After the scene is fixed, the surface of the wood begins to be cut off. Obviously, this delicate link is operated by an old master, and it is particularly important to grasp the strength. Otherwise, it will be impossible to repair it later after a dive. The main thing here is to polish the whole body, so that each position can be smooth and flat. The most important link is here. If you want to make the panel into a distinct layered appearance, spray painting in this link is not completed at one time, but you need to spray multiple layers of primer. Only when spraying the paint is the basic color will a variety of color effects be produced. Here, the general shape of the guitar has been made. Next, let's watch the details of the accessories together. A special symbol is printed on the head of the guitar, and then the installation of the fret is a slender metal decoration on the scene, which can play a vital role in the guitar. It seems that the music players are more individual, several masters in the factory. They all have long hair. Next, the machine is used to press the whole body and polish both sides of the fret column, so that we can prepare to make the piano bridge before entering the next step. This slender position on the panel is called chinchiao. Workers need to scrape off the surface paint to expose the original wood. The more they get to the end, the more they need to be careful. It takes workers to handle it for more than 10 minutes. Otherwise, a 1,000 yuan guitar is cruel everywhere, and no one will definitely buy it. After the soil is wiped with the adhesive, the chinchiao is installed as usual, but any position fixed with glue needs to be fixed through furniture. This material polished by workers is called a winding pillow, which is fixed with glue, so you don't have to worry about falling. It will be very strong. What I am amazing is that the knob is a handle used to adjust the strings, and the screws are completely fixed on the head. The other side needs to be stepped up. Compared to automated manufacturing in previous videos, the remaining process is almost purely handmade. Can guitars be mechanized? With chinks installed, excess parts are inspected, removed, and finally polished. Waxing enhances the surface's overall brightness. Now this guitar looks brighter, and the shoe twist is adjusted to make the guitar reach the proper state. Let's enter the test environment as usual. The above is the whole process of guitar manufacturing. Purely handmade looks extremely high-end, and every detail is handled. In place, it comes to an end here. Does anyone like guitars? How is this guitar craftsmanship?